Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use snap layouts easily in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to any application which you want to open. Now I am opening Google Chrome. Here, I want to add another application with my Google Chrome. So I'm going to click this icon. Here you can see different options about how your application will be opened. If you want to open your application like this, you'll just have to click on right or left. If you want your one application is bigger than another one, then click on it. If you want to open 3 applications, then click on it. Or if you want to open 4 applications, then click on here. I'm opening my file explorer with my Google Chrome with these 2 options. So this is how you can open your snap layouts easily in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.